sex it up!
I never knew you were this. Someone with eternal bliss. Well, what if for? I praise it from the floor before.
1, 2, 3.
Ha, ha, are you ready for war? Can we settle the score? 'Cause I don't know your shit. You don't even exist in a battle for freedom. I am denying your hateful goal, and I will not do it, no, never again. Will I ever, ever get to? Now I will try your people. I will not do a stone. There's no room for this, and I will never quit. Submit.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Are you ready for war? And we settle the score. 'Cause I don't know your shit. You don't even exist in the battle for freedom. I am denying your hateful goal, and I will not do it, no, never again. Will I ever, ever get to what you say?
You're not ready for this now.
You don't even exist in the battle for freedom. I am denying your hateful cause, and I will not do it, no, never again. Will I ever, ever get to you?
9:15, folks. We have arrived. Testing, testing. I think we're looking good on the volume. All right, cool. Said keep this thing in my face. With me? With me? Oh. Fun. Yeah. All right. Whatever. Okie dokie dokie. Really nice run up yesterday, which is what I was considering could happen actually. That made a lot of sense. Look at this beautiful bounce. Beautiful Hughes bounced beautifully off area here. It's really nice. Yesterday that happened to actually be, that bounce happened right off this second or below fib area. Beautiful. Beautiful. Man, I gotta start getting to bed earlier. This is on a bad streak here. Let's see what we can get today, though. Let's see. Let's see what we have in terms of. Interesting. I think for SPY, a reasonable play would be to come back down to this trend line and bounce. Qs could maybe come back down to this support and bounce. That would be reasonable. What is this right here? Why is this one? This level here looks interesting. Could even come back much further down to that. Yeah, that's interesting. Okay. Buys dumping a little bit here pre-market. These guys are ready. We're gonna look at SPY. Let's look at 449s, Qs, 370s for now. Just have something loaded here. Okay, 10 minutes until we open here. All right, hello viewer. Got about 9 minutes here.
Show me what I made, fuck what she says. If you'll take me home, I'll never escape. And when I want to go, I won't be afraid. Nobody knows my name. I'm boarding high wherever I go, and only if she knew I'm alone. Well, I'm trying, but whatever I do defeats me. Well, I talked to you the other day, so much regret. Another word, another phrase. There's so much unsaid. Now will you take me home? I will never stay. When I want to go, I won't be afraid. Nobody knows my name. I'm boarding highway wherever I go. And only if she knew I'm alone. Well, I'm trying, but whatever I do defeats me. What do I have to say when no one's listening? All the doors are closed. Some may come, but others stay. Nobody knows my name, and nobody knows my name. I'm boarding high wherever I go, and only if the bitch knew I'm alone. Well, I'm trying, but whatever I do beats me. I'm boarding high wherever I go, and only if she knew I'm alone. Well, I'm trying, but whatever I do beats me.
Let's rock and roll.
Tell me it's over and everything's come to an end.
9:25. Let's look alive. Okay. Both accused and spies relaxed a little bit here. Free market. Do what they want to do.
Can I take it from here? In darkness you appear.
Now Q's are under yesterday's high.
In the dark you will die.
Yeah, I feel like a good scenario could be Q's might want to bounce off this level I had drawn out yesterday, this daily level, the white line. Come down, bounce off that, then potentially go today. Just one option, and then SPY. We have this trend line, which let me see how good looking that is. Why did I have it going exactly there? Let me make that bigger real quick. Yeah, that looks super good on the hourly. So that's valid on the hourly. That's where I have that from. So make that bigger again. So it would make sense if it came back, tested that, and bounced. So that would be around, you know, here-ish. So that would make sense if it came down, bounced off that. But we'll see. Let's put on some different jams here. What do we got? Check out the economic calendar today. Okay, nothing scheduled today. That is probably a good thing. Earnings. What do we got going on for earnings? Fill this calendar today. Oh, interesting. We got Roblox and Entertainment and another big Sony. Roblox, Sony. The only big ones I'm seeing. Jack in the Box. So nothing huge. Valvoline. No big tech earnings or anything huge. Okay. All right, we're opening soon here. Got my Zevia drink. I gotta watch my figure, guys. Okay, here we go. Pushing down. Back at yesterday real quick. Beautiful. Yeah, really nice day. Wow. Just watching. Only 1 minute in here. Okay, Flushing. Wondering about this, so I think there's a good chance we could catch in these areas. Look at calls on this. Oh, this is use. One thing I don't like about Thinkorswim, I have to constantly go back and forth with the way this is set up. Q's getting bought up on this daily report. I do not like how these Q374s barely moved.
You know that Big Bargain detergent
Ridiculous.
jug
This is
is
really nice
80%
buy
water,
up.
right?
80% water.
Tide Pods are only 12% water. The rest is pure concentrated cleaning ingredients.
Pass me the intercom thing.
Attention shoppers, if you want a real deal, try Tide Pods.
If it's gotta be clean, it's gotta be Tide Pods.
Yeah, I think those calls are just so far away. But this is an excellent,
$1.5 million in scholarships. Enter to win. No
excellent buy up here so far.
End September 30th. Rules at tide.com/scholarship/official rules.
I have diabetes. I'm at risk for pneumococcal pneumonia.
I have asthma. I'm at risk too.
If you're 19 or older with chronic conditions like asthma, diabetes, COPD, or heart disease, or are 65 or older, you are at increased risk for pneumococcal pneumonia. Ask your doctor or pharmacist about.
Let's see if this can close strong to the upside here.
Help protect you
Sort
against
of-
pneumococcal pneumonia in just one dose.
Sort of green
Even if you've
5-minute.
already been vaccinated with other pneumonia vaccines. Prevnar 20 may help provide added protection. Prevnar 20 is approved for adults to help
And
prevent
it did
infections
not.
from 20 strains of the bacteria that cause pneumococcal pneumonia. Continued approval may depend on a supportive study. Don't get Prevnar 20 if you've had a severe allergic reaction to the vaccine or its ingredients. Adults with weakened immune systems may have a lower response to the vaccine. Side effects include pain and swelling at the injection site, fatigue, headache, muscle, and joint pain. For full prescribing information, please call 1-855-213-2138 or visit Prevnar20.com.
Still very, very curious to see if we want to bounce in here. Let's spy on the Qs. They're both really good areas to eventually bounce at. So we're testing these support areas once again. Came down, got bought up off of them, and we're back down retesting. If we stay down here, we're gonna have a pretty violent down 10-minute, but we'll see. I think there's a really good chance we bounce here, but we'll see what they want to do. Pretty dirty. Right through it. At least on the Qs. Right through that support on the Qs. But we're kind of still... Ooh, Qs is dirty, man. SPY's still holding. Qs are dirty. SPY kind of pushing through now. Still holding that area overall. Qs, man. Oof. Tell you what, on the Qs, it's just a completely different thing. It's because it's under this trend line, so it, you can think rejection off of it. Versus SPYs are kind of. This trend line looks a bit better on the. It looks really good on the hourly, so. It's outside this trend line, so you could get a bounce off. So really opposite situations right now. Let me draw a new. I want to draw a new one that fits the daily a little bit better, like this guy. Ah, man, that's tough. Wow, because if you do it that way, I might just do that, to be honest. Because in that case, actually, we're now under this trend line that fits the daily better instead of the hourly. So, oh, look at the Qs, man. Jesus Christ. Wow. Really, really big push down on the Qs. That is quite strong. Excuse me, weak. Word I meant looking for is weak. Come back chart. So actually some pretty nice VWAP rejections that we had there. In hindsight, could have been a good catch. 5 minutes immediately rejecting this VWAP nicely. We're finally getting a little bit of a bounce here. Let's get some contracts already. I'm gonna, at this point, load up puts available. Have 2 contracts ready. User spy, but see what we get. See if they bounce here or not. We get some more downside here. It's showing. Oh, I see. Just gonna be patient here, patient. Don't want to jump in on this short right now. And even though it does look dirty. Alright, Spy's bouncing a little bit here.
But it should be. Hey, my name is Ben.
Off yesterday's 30-minute high area.
This is my song called Nothing to Do with Me. I'm also playing all the
And a good support area.
Bass, guitar, vocals, everything you hear, it's me. If you like what you hear, tap the link on your screen and check out my other songs. Maybe add some of them to your playlist. If you like it, consider giving me a follow for when I release new tunes. Now, back to your playlist.
What's up, Spotify? It's Melody Stallions.
Here once again, you're in the limelight. Here once again, you screwed my mind.
You're listening to Taste, our #1 song on Rock Central. Click Listen now to hear more.
It's almost time to go back to school, and Delaney Tire and Auto wants you to be safe on the roads by giving away 4 Cooper tires. Yes, you read that right. 4 free tires. Enter now at DelaneyGiveaway.com for your chance to win. Delaney offers the best service and has 3 convenient locations to serve you. Visit DelaneyGiveaway.com and enter to win 4 free Cooper tires from Delaney Tire and Auto. Hurry, you don't want to miss out on this amazing offer.
She got a strawberry sunshine highlight to her hair and a yellow and blue hat for the cold air. She drinks a lime seltzer in a pint glass, but there's too little to share. But her eyes tell me she loves me, so I don't really care. If it's too long, she'll cut the candle wick and leaves the matches she used by the sink. She got a strawberry sunshine highlight to
Q's really struggling to bounce here. Spy's holding up better. But Q's still looking pretty weak at this point.
cold air. She puts her flowers in a coffee can and drinks a seltzer she won't share. But her eyes tell me she loves me, so I don't
Q's coming back to lows here.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach.
Yeah, Q's relatively much weaker.
Heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Yeah, I'm just gonna let this thing bounce. Oh. Q's, man, dirty.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my
Put this,
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities.
I'm just gonna hold out at this point. You know, if I since I didn't get like on either of these, since I didn't get earlier, I don't want to short here at the low of days.
I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright. It's
Let's wait and see if we can get something reasonable.
It's alright. Hush.
When my phone was dead, I had to get mine charging a little bit.
Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste.
What the heck, man? How does the reminder work? I'm gonna set up some damn reminder. I don't know. Whatever.
Just wanna be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one
Curious to see where the 30-minute low is gonna be.
kinda like the four-leaf clover pocket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
And this morning and last morning it's been tough. Like you get in or you really miss this good down run that they're putting in the mornings. I just don't always love to trade that early, but that may change here at some point. 'Cause then you can just be one and done, man. You catch this run, boom, you're done. That's a nice thing. I wish I would have had that darn trend line on the spot, the correct trend line on the SPY earlier. That was a bit silly because you can see in the hourly it really Putting a nice double top there. Rejected under that line. That would have been a good signal that we'll get some short side this morning. Kind of the same on the Qs, like the closed right below the yesterday's high.
Burned me once or twice, I expect them. I just wanna know what your truth is. Will you be the one to break me out of this? I want you.
Let's see if these current lows will end up being the 30-minute lows or not. We'll have to hold here or bounce here for that to happen. But this could end up being a good support area for the SPY at this level I have out. I'm just gonna be patient though, and see if we get a bounce up here and how that looks. What is getting the most here? The most is this. Interesting. Okay.
Sometimes 1 minute takes days and feelings fade when you don't want them to. I hope you won't throw the blame my way, but if you do, oh, are you looking for, cause are you looking for?
We're finding a little support here. On the SPY makes a lot of sense. So it looks like here we likely have our 30-minute lows are going to be what you would see, the lows that you see right now. That is something to keep note of. It's an important level of support. So I'm looking to see if we are going to get a bounce up off this, or what we end up doing here in the next 10 minutes or so. Again, we have about 1 minute left until the 5 and 10 close. It's tough, man. I don't know. Well, let's see what we got here. Q's still pretty weak.
I have diabetes.
SPY is a bit relatively stronger. It's showing a bit better buying off these levels.
If you're 19 or older with chronic conditions like asthma, diabetes, COPD, or heart disease, or are 65 or older, you are at increased risk for pneumococcal pneumonia. Ask your doctor or pharmacist.
Okay, so we definitely, the current lows are now going to be the 30-minute lows.
Just one dose. Even if you've already been vaccinated with other pneumonia vaccines, Prevnar 20 may help provide added protection. Prevnar 20 is approved for adults to help prevent infections from 20 strains of the bacteria that cause pneumococcal pneumonia. Continued approval.
So interested to see again if we can get a bounce up here. It ends up looking good to short. That could be a potential, obviously short play.
Fatigue, headache, muscle, and joint pain. For full prescribing information, please call 1-855-213-2138 or visit Prevnar20.
So this is, though, you got to be careful. This ultimately is a bounce off the 30-minute lows.
Witness the terrifying origin.
In the night, it drinks our blood.
Of the world's most legendary monster.
This could go a lot higher than one thinks, for sure.
I want to kill the cursed thing. The Last Voyage of the Demeter. Rated R. Only in theaters Friday.
I can feel your heart reaching out with open arms. I can feel your heart reaching out into.
It's too bad, man. I was thinking calls at the bottom there on SPY because of this bounce area off the 30-minute lows, but not in a trade. But that would have been good. Nice pop up though on the SPY. Q's a little weaker. But I'm just going to sit tight at this point and let things develop a little bit. That's a pretty good it's a pretty good drop down. These things do not always just pop up and turn around right away. Or at all. This could be low a day for all we know. SPY is got hit a little bit on the VWAP 9 EMA area. Qs have not even reached up to the EMA or VWAP yet. I'm gonna do a fib on the Qs from open high to the low. See where the retracement could be. All right, we got through another 5-minute close there. We're right at the midpoint between the 30-minute low high. SPY rejecting pretty strongly right now off of the VWAP midpoint. 9 EMA, there's a lot right there. Pretty strong rejection so far. This has just been way too easy lately. I want to look and see what the shorter time frame would have showed there. This I would link to blue. To frame. Look at the 2 minutes I like. Gosh, I might have to really pull the short time frames back on, man. Pretty nice rejection off there. Just so strong. You know, if taking this trade here, you'd have to be really concerned about only coming down to the lows. Not a lot of room. You would have to take profit around there. It could definitely come back and end up bouncing here. I mean, I would. That's the more likely situation, if you ask me. Man, the way it's been lately, having this 2 minute on here would have been helpful. You could have gotten a short there on the VWAP projection. This is a really nice rejection. It's just so hardcore, right down to the lows. It'd be a really crappy entry. Things are, look at the Qs, they're just like straight down. What am I talking about in the SPY? I'm definitely not going to grab short right now. No way. That'd be relying that the 30-minute lows are just going to break through, which, you know, they could, but we could easily end up bouncing in this area. It could break through somewhat too and look real dirty and then bounce, so. I would say the SPY much more, really way more dirty on that last 5 minute than the Qs. But both technically right around their lows. Decent little bounce here, more so on the Qs. But we got plenty of time for these candles to unfold, so see what she does. SPY still looking weak. The Q is much more strong off this low. That is why you do not want to short just instantaneously once you see that a big rejection like that. Oh, this is going to come down to this area. And I mean, maybe, but it's a lot of risk you'd have to take on here. Like up into like this high of this candle, EWAP area. It's a lot of risk. So, you know, you really wanted to hit that top entry. Which really you only wouldn't have been able to do in the 2 minute if you're waiting for a rejection, or just you're like, I guess if you're crazy ballsy, not me, but to just, oh, it taps VWAP, I'll grab it. Yeah. But you know, we'll see, man. This thing really might go today. Look, it's looking dirty. Like even here on the SPY, it would not be crazy at all for this thing to come down to this 30-minute low again, but you'd have to be very cautious of again a bounce there. So that's for sure a profit-taking area.
Like asthma, diabetes, COPD, or heart disease, or are 65 or older, you are at
Beyond the SPY, that was just too strong of a 5-minute rejection. That'd be a wild candle to get in right after to think in short. It's just too much risk, too high above where your stop loss would have to be.
Prevnar 20 is approved for adults to help prevent infections from 20 strains of the bacteria that cause pneumococcal pneumonia. Continued approval may depend on a supportive study. Don't get Prevnar 20.
These are always tough, man, when you know these guys make their move in the morning, boom, down to this level, and you want to catch a pop-up to go short again. Well, it won't always necessarily just keep going down. It could consolidate here and look real fakey up and down, and just never really break that low, or fake, kind of a fake break. So it's tough. Or kind of be ready to scalp if you get in something short at some point.
Hi,
because we've already made this nice drop.
Thing I love about Chick-fil-A spicy chicken biscuit is the chicken. The outside is crispy, the inside is succulent. Once you put it all together, chef's kiss.
Order the spicy chicken biscuit.
And Spy looking like it's bottoming here with that 5-minute. Q's again now are more relatively strong than the Spy. Where it's definitely, we've definitely put in bottom there for now. See if this thing wants to come up more to the VWAP and these fib retracements. We'll take it. All right. Question is this, will this really be a bottom? Yeah, we really could get a lot of consolidation. Been tough lately, man. They just like yesterday. It comes down, not giving much of too much of a pop up. Yeah, and I'm very suspicious of this thing basing here. One's thinking about shorts. By trying to bounce here. Spy coming up here. He's having a little bit of trouble here, though. Projecting off this 90 MA 5. I mean, that's a potential short entry. It's just, assuming we're gonna stay pretty dirty. Apparently we are. We're testing the 30-minute lows again. So this would definitely be a profit target area. We have to wait and see if we end up bouncing on here. If we can get under and retest, it would be definitely signs potential drop down further. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that would have been a good one. It could have gotten about 90 cents, got out about 120 max. Yeah, that would have been good. Curious, what would that have been on our guy? The further contracts. Could have got it in around 52-ish. Up to 75-ish. That's pretty good. All right, we're kind of closing near the lows. Let's see what I want to do here. Do we want to bounce ultimately or come through this go lower. I would lean towards us bouncing out this area one way or another. Whether it goes through more or not, but let's roll the dice and find out here. Spy put in another 2 minute, put in a 2-minute base off this orb low area, and there's some daily support there.
Да, сэр. Никак нет. Вы так уродливы? Скорее наоборот. Сомневаюсь. Сейчас бы не отказался. А я вот виски хочу. Шотландского? Я пью бурбон. Деревенщина. Именно. Обожаю Кентукки.
We're bouncing here a little bit off these lows. This definitely should be suspicious for holding as a bounce. Ultimate for bounce. Bum bum ba dum bum 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 bum. Okay, cool. Not the strongest I've ever seen though, but
I have diabetes. I'm at risk for pneumococcal pneumonia.
just start from little candles, so let's
If
see.
you're 19 or older with chronic conditions like asthma, diabetes,
I getting bought up pretty nicely off this level.
65 or older, you are at increased risk for pneumococcal pneumonia. Ask your doctor or pharmacist about Prevnar 20, pneumococcal 20-valent conjugate vaccine, a vaccine that can help protect you against pneumococcal pneumonia in just one dose. Even if you've already been vaccinated with other pneumonia vaccines, Prevnar 20 may help provide added protection. Prevnar 20 is approved for adults to help prevent infections from 20 strains of the bacteria that cause pneumococcal pneumonia. Continued approval may depend on a supportive study. Don't get Prevnar 20 if you've had a severe allergic reaction to the vaccine.
Still made that short trade dangerous. You had to take profit there, you know.
Have a lower response to the vaccine.
And would have been a good scalp trade though, for sure.
Fatigue, headache, muscle, and joint pain. For full prescribing information, please call 1-855-213-2138 or visit Prevnar20.com.
Don't miss the final days of end-of-season deals during the truckload event at Lowe's. Right now, save on major appliances and get an additional 10% off in-store clearance appliances. Plus, take up to 25% off select storage totes like the Project Source Commander tote.
Yeah,
Just
Spy's starting to look
$11.98
good
was
for
$15.98.
balls here.
Find big savings now. Lowe's knows savings. Lowe's knows home improvement. Valid through 8/9. Exclusions apply while supplies last. Selection varies by location. See Lowe's.com for details.
my breath. Remind me how it feels to hear your voice. Your lips are moving, I can hear a thing. Living life as if we had a choice. Anywhere, anytime, I would do anything for you. Anything for you. Yesterday got away, melodies stuck inside your head. I sung in every breath. Sing me sleep now. Sing me sleep. Oh, just sing me sleep now. Sing me sleep.
Watching to see this thing, if we want to retest it all and base more or not. But this already could be a potential area for getting calls after that good support there. See, we've got a decent base here to potentially come up to. You'd really want it to come up ideally to like the 30-minute high. Just at this point, a question of does it really want to reject here and keep going lower, break through the lows, or are we really just gonna consolidate here and bounce up a bit higher? A little bit of a tough call. But a pretty good rejection here off the midline, the orb midline VWAP. Now again below the 90 MA. Buy. I mean, I potentially could get in short here. It's just I hate the. You have to take profit down here at the lows, so it's just so close. But it could just be one of those days where it works. Views are going. Hey, what? I mean, Qs have been downside. They've been go pretty quickly. Qs are finding support on the lows again. So you can see that's why, at a minimum, the 30-minute low would have had to been a profit target. Qs can hold, especially they look really good to bounce off this area. Basically off lows. Yeah, see, that was a nasty fake out on the spy. If you said, okay, that 5-minute, really nice rejection off the VWAP, 30-minute midline, going back below 90 MA, and then it's total fake out because we're at lows. I'm gonna sit on my hands at this point, though. You could potentially go long. It's tough, right? There's still spies still testing these things overhead. It's a bit iffy. But you know, we've had what, like an hour of consolidation down here. So question is, which way is it going to go? Will it really pop through? I would lean towards that, but you know, who knows? I might want to get dirty. He's struggling a little bit. I mean, they ultimately are getting support on this. We got a minute left before the 5 and 10 minute close. Not super strong, that's for sure. Yeah. Might go for a short on. Buy potentially. Depends how we close, especially. These are the puts, the 448. Tough, man. Real tough. 2 minute looks good, but rejection.
Nature has evolved powerful bug fighting abilities over billions of years.
There's a cockroach on the floor. Get out of here.
Well, except for humans. That's why STEM Bug Killer looked to nature.
Really tough just because we're still down here, man, and you'd want
that target nerves bugs have, but people don't. So it's safe to use as directed around people and pets. STEM Bug Killer, rooted in
not
nature,
easy, really not easy.
Visit
On this one, if it would, I think I'm just gonna stay out and wait. I'd rather be a little patient and be wrong. If it wants to come back down to lows, okay. Then we can look if it goes through lows in the 30-minute low. If we do a retrace, basically a break and retest.
Just like you can keep an eye on your customized down and monthly car payments. I can customize those? He's out and on his way to finance his next car with Carvana. Visit Carvana.com.
But it potentially is dirty. This could have been a good entry. Just
at Carvana.
You love listening to your favorite artists, and we love listening to you.
Qs are relatively much weaker
Click
here.
now to take part in our short survey.
Their back Qs are back down testing their lows in the 30-minute low.
With Spotify Premium. That means you can enjoy all your favorite artists ad-free. Sound good? Then all you need to do is hit the banner now for your chance to win.
Hey, good night, Wes.
Why you acting like the victim? Why you acting so offended? Got my feelings in the prison. I can
Q's really testing lows here, going through the lows. I'm gonna take this fib off the Q's. Spies are relatively holding up better. We're still kind of up near that VWAP midline area.
Said you love me heavy, but you get irritated, then you do some shit that's petty. I won't put up with that. Who do you think I am? I used to say we'll be forever, I don't think we can. Maybe another life, but I treated you right. I hope you find another person that you're satisfied, cause I can do your shit, and I'm so sick of it. When you see me in real life, I hope you think of this.
Gotta be careful of bounces here. Still, man, we've been consolidating in this area for 940. Yeah, we've been basically in this range for an hour. I mean, Spy looks good to go. It looks good to pop. But time will tell. If it has this potentially gonna go short here. I'm gonna go short up. Because we got this nice 5-minute rejection off the VWAP area again. Might not work for me though. See if we can get downside here or not. I'm gonna be ready to bounce at this thing pretty quick.
If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through
Yeah, I don't think this is gonna work, but I'm gonna try and give it a minute.
the summer's calling.
We can close red here on this 10-minute especially. I'll stay in this, otherwise I'm gonna bounce out.
Know that we can rise together. This vision that we share is ours. Together we can touch the stars. I know that we will see December. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling.
Definitely skeptical it's gonna continue to go down much more. Gonna push down here. I have one ready to take off here. We can get down more or not. I'm gonna go ahead and sell one. I was trying to sell one. Take one off here at lows. So I entered puts up here, by the way, after this 5-minute candle. Just took one off around lows. Kind of want to see now if we end up eating through the lows here, or if we put in a good bounce. I'll just have to exit that second one. We're going. At this point, I just want to see if we can get to a really good level or not. Maybe get down to here. I might take off down here if we can get there. But we could also get some pop here. You never know. This is the lows, but we are breaking through nicely. I'm gonna get ready to take it off if need be. I'm gonna go ahead and take that one off just to grab. Why not? but I'm retarded and didn't wait for my profit target. See what I made on this. Okay, sweet, 41 bucks. I got a small account, so really good trade right there. Really good trade. Very happy about that trade. That worked out really well, breaking through lows. I wish in the future I'm going to build up to taking more than 2 contracts, and man, I would have for sure kept holding a contract. A really good entry here. This is a really clean setup because, you know, we came here bounced, worried about support on these lows. Comes up again, tests. This is too ugly to get in. Retest, puts in a nice 5-minute at the VWAP again. So I took short there, and I really shouldn't have just got out there, but I just wanted to take my profit. So good trade. It's very likely going to be my, unless I see another great setup, I really want to just make sure I lock in my profits today. Looks like I got a couple folks in here. Get a chance, man, throw something in the chat. Let me know how it's going. If you've taken anything today, or if you're in anything right now, I'd be interested to know. Not sure if anybody caught that as well.
I'm getting vaccinated with Prevnar 20.
So am I, because I'm at risk for pneumococcal pneumonia.
If you're 19 or older with chronic conditions like asthma, diabetes, COPD, or heart disease, or are 65 or older, you are at increased risk for pneumococcal pneumonia. Ask your doctor or pharmacist about Prevnar 20, pneumococcal 20-valent conjugate vaccine. It can help protect you against pneumococcal pneumonia.
Yeah, really no reason to technically get out of that. I guarantee it. I mean, it's very likely going to come down to this, and maybe probably this support here at least. So definitely could have got more out of this, but I just wanted to get my money, and didn't have enough contracts on. But I think I played that really well, right? I took profit right around here at lows, which is, you have to do that, and then was really shooting for this, which is obviously going to come down and hit. May even come down to this, we'll see. So, but still a good trade. 41 bucks. Really happy with that. Really happy with that. My account's like what is my account set?
What? I changed it to remind me of my time at sea. Weren't you in the Air Force? Yeah.
I think my account's at 400 bucks or something, so here it fucking is. Damn it. Should have not been a puss.
Navy Federal Credit Union. Our members are the mission. Credit and collateral subject to approval. Refinance loans must be at least $5,000 to be eligible for the $200. Terms and conditions apply. Learn more at NavyFederal.org.
They were bouncing off these red lines I have down here are basically this big dash red line is the 30-minute low, and these are fibs, the first and second fib based off that. And so a lot of times they can be very good support and resistance. Just interested to see if we really bounce off here or what. Yeah, if anybody else is in here, man, throw something in the chat so I know you're in here. It'd be sweet. Say what's up. Curious where people are trading from. If you guys are in anything. Whatever you want to chat about as well. I'm an open chatter. Yeah, there we go, you son of a bee. This. Yep. Now I'm, yeah, son of a bitch. That would have been a little bit better. Gosh darn it. Fucking do it. Oh, kill me, man. I need more contracts. This would have been a nice day, man. It's fine. Fine. It'll be okay. Yo, but yeah, getting to see, yeah, this fib based off the orb low, the second one, always very likely to get some reactions. This is a solid buy up from that area. But that short I hit was very nice. But this ultimately would have been, I for sure would have taken profit right there. That would have been my ultimate goal. But got off somewhere around here. So I'm happy with that. Got in here. Took one off here. Gave me a nice push down. Took one off in here. I was really shooting at least for this first red line. And one of these after that. So really nice trade though. What we could get here, depends on the dirtiness of the day, is you get a retest of that 30-minute low, that bigger red dashed line. So that would absolutely be something to look out for since we're below it now, to come up, retest it, and look for another short off that. Of course, you got to be careful, and if you do get in short, if something like that happens, you get in short, be ready to take one off and lock in some profit. So because it also could easily recover that 30-minute low and screw you over. But if it did reject, you'd likely get some sort of pullback to at least get a scalp on. Then I would just be careful, right? Let me move this guy back over here. Right here. Look at the Qs. Perfection. Perfect. Nice break of that 30-minute low and just dumps to the next level. Qs are at yesterday's low. So, man, if it can stay under here, I doubt it, but we could get dirty. Problem with Qs too is now you have that low. It has this. I think this is the 50. Ooh, we're coming to the 50 SMA. We should find some support there. That'd be very unusual, unless it just wants to be dirty and say screw you. But I'm pretty sure that's the 50. Yeah, the purple is the 9, yellow's 20, blue's 50, and I think red is 100. Yeah. So wow, what about the SPY? Yeah, SPY is actually relatively stronger, right? Qs are like breaking recent lows. Dirty, man, dirty. Really nice though. We got some continuation. That was because yesterday that did not happen after we made a good drop. We got a little bit and then did not work. This was this did what it's supposed to do. Man, dirty day though. Look at the Qs on the 10-minute. This is nasty, man. SPY, look at all that consolidation. Wow. SPY was potentially setting up to bounce off this, maybe come up to the orb high. But that's the thing, you gotta be careful. All right, I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna go take a little break here, 5-10 minutes. I shall return.
Success is picking up extra shifts, but now you want to be the boss. Success is getting your foot in the door, but now you want to take the next step. Success looks different to everyone. And for more than 75 years, University of Maryland Global Campus has helped working adults like you succeed again. Choose from more than 125 degree and certificate programs with online and hybrid courses. Apply now with no application fee and get started August 16th. Learn more at umgc.edu. Certified to operate by Chev.
There's nothing like a caramel cold brew. Caramel cold brew M&Ms, that is. A delicious combination of smooth, robust coffee flavor and sweet, chewy caramel. Covered in a classic M&M's milk chocolate and wrapped in a colorful candy shell. M&M's with coffee shop vibes. Tap the banner to try new caramel cold brew M&M's today.
I lock up my Old Spice Fiji aluminum-free dry spray to keep that 24/7 lasting freshness safe for myself. Fresh coconuts, palm trees in the wind. It's like catching waves in Fiji. Actually, I just talked myself into a refreshing spritz of Fiji. My Old Spice is missing! No!
It's a tug of war, battling to keep my sanity. Say no more, say no more. I love you, but I can't keep killing me. I look at myself, I wonder why you don't recognize who you traumatize me. Now what do I do? Pick up the pieces and go. Let your heart break sometimes. It's
sky's the limit. Feeling sky's the limit. Glen party, I am in it, in it, in it, in it, in it. Feeling sky's the limit. Glen party, I am in it.
Oh wow, dirty, 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 dirty. Oh my gosh. I gotta put way up here. And I got out. My second one I got in here. Look at this. Oh, that is sad. That is sad. What's up, Raphael? Hold, yeah, I was holding. Not anymore. Oh, dirty. That's beautiful. Oh man, why did I sell? Why did I do that? No reason to get out of that. Just needed more contracts to hold. Bum bum. This could have been a fatty day. It's one of those days. Ah, yeah. At least I made some money. No?
You don't have a
Oh my gosh, just brutal.
You need to be right back.
Brutal. That's all good, man. Oh my gosh.
2 hours 14.
So sad I didn't have a contract to hold, man. This is. Man, that is the dirty. Oh gosh, when did I get out of this? Yeah, dude, I got out so low. In time. No rush. Still made 41 bucks. I just could have made like 100 more or something. I made dough. I just I needed more contracts to have on. Raphael, you still on stream here? Yo, I'm good. Just delayed.
Oh.
Yeah,
I'm here.
We're good. We're good.
I'm here. So.
My gosh. It's just not going to stop. Never going to stop. Yeah, man, like looking for more downside, looking for a pop and more downside, and this is sketchy. Just this is so extended, so like trying to short the rest of the day could be a total trap. Gosh, man, you look at the hourly though, SPY definitely could come down to yesterday's lows. I mean, I would honestly count on that happening, but we'll see. All right, man. Hey, don't act like a jackass. What are you doing? Yeah, what's up?
Evil is on this ship.
No.
This Friday, witness the terrifying origin.
This looks like a bite.
Nope.
Of the world's most legendary monster.
Nope.
Calling Dracula.
The legend of Dracula is born.
cusset thing.
Boy, oh boy. Boy, oh boy, man.
And
Wow.
now Travis Kelce, an overly direct sports person for DirecTV.
DirecTV Sports Central makes it easy to find every football game this season, whether they're live on TV or a streaming app. So there's no reason to get frustrated on game day, except when you give the flag back to the ref and they give you a penalty even though you gave it to him as a thoughtful gift and you definitely didn't throw it.
How am I audio coming in good? Yes. Yeah, looks like it's good.
DirecTV requires separate subscription login for third-party apps. High-speed internet-connected Gemini device required.
What's that, pizza?
No, it's KFC's $20 fill-up box. Does this mean pizza night is now chicken night?
Wow. Wow.
Make it a chicken night with Kentucky Fried Chicken's $20 fill-up box. Get 12 nuggets, 4 biscuits, 4 pieces of chicken, a large serving of fries, and 4 sauces of your choice. That's finger-licking good. Prices and participation may vary. Taxes, tips, and fees extra.
Man, I really need to get to a point where I'm like at least 3 contracts. It's just annoying because I want to be able to take one off at a reasonable profit target, and another, and then be able to hold for stuff like this. Very sad.
So I'ma just lay low. I'ma stay 10 toes. Tell baby everything I said I really meant it. To appreciate the time.
Yeah, Spy is going to yesterday's low day.
And I'ma let you take hold. 'Cause I just need a sign saying that you really care for me. Sitting down, I just hope you're really there for me. I've been on the edge, walking a tightrope. A lot of beside you, but I know it's not true. And you said you saw our life together on the beach. You just needed someone to kick.
Raphael, what's up, man? Hey, so this is my 5-minute here, Raphael. I got short. I was watching this consolidation. We got another nice rejection, kind of a double top on the 5-minute, right off VWAP. I got short here. I took only 2 contracts. I took one off at low a day, and then I took the other one off about right in here-ish, and just wanted to get my money, man. And so that was it. So I made the 41 bucks. It's nothing too. It's a good solid trade. It's not, but you know, if I would have held here, I would have been like an extra 100 on that contract. I would have been able to hold like. I don't even think I would have even held all. I don't know where I would have sold here, but I might have wanted to even take profit at this area here, but regardless, I at least made some money. But yeah, I didn't catch this badass flush. I just didn't. I need to be able to. I need to have more contracts on. I'm just right now. I've only been doing 2, so it's kind of paid the price. Otherwise, I for sure would have held one on. I probably would have taken more profit down here and then held, and then this would have been beautiful. Would have been a big fatty day, but I at least made some dough, pulled some money out. So it'll be worse. Did you end up catching anything, or were you just kind of sitting on your hands for this? This is so dirty, man. Raphael, did you catch anything or what? No? Spy, by the way, I'd be willing to wage that we're gonna come down to yesterday's lows. But you know, I'm not saying it goes short. That's just a dangerous game. You don't know, you could get a pop in here, and who the hell knows?
The storms we chase chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
It was tough, man, because I'm just. Oh, hey. Oh, there you are, Raphael. Just seen your comment. Yes, you traded it at 447 and a half put. You took 20 contracts? That's a lot, man. Are you serious? You took 20? Yeah, you took 20 option contracts? That's a pretty big, that's a big size. I mean, you must have a pretty good account, pretty large account right now. What did you end up making on that? Like how many cents, and then how many cents per contract did you make? Cuz that sounds pretty large. That's actually a solid move you got if you got it in 447.50 down to there. That's really good. That would have been a solid freaking trade. Are you serious? Dude, that's big money, man. You really just did that? That's impressive. So, man, you're throwing down some serious dough, man. More balls than me right now. I'm trying to grind up this small account. What's up?
Cameron took a huge dump in the barely. I got it. I don't.
Why would you do that with it?
Exactly. Scott and I were. That he really had to go and didn't know if he was allowed in our bathroom. But it's a question. Yeah, but that doesn't mean you.
All right, guys. Love you. Easy. Dude, Raphael, that's a big ass trade, man. That's huge, man. If you really pull that off in real count, man, props. That's a big trade. See, man, it's so tempting on the SPY. It's like, just go short again, because I know it's gonna go touch that low. Just depends, is it gonna put up a bigger bounce or not? But maybe not. It's a fat trade, man. That's a fucking excellent trade. you know. Yeah, but you know, I'm just working on a small account. Not ready to go that big. And you know, basically to do, like, you know, if you're not doing margin too, you know, you gotta, when it's bearish, you take a chance. Yeah, fair enough. Well, that worked out for you, man. Really solid, man. Yeah, so, oh yeah, sorry, I kind of drifted off there, but yeah, I'm trying to grind up a small account. My account's worth just over like 400 right now, but just trying to slowly grind that up and blow that thing up. And you know, it's not margin obviously because it's that size, and so you know, I gotta watch my buying power. You know, so for instance, if I just maxed it out and took all the possible contracts, right, and then that trade doesn't work, I can't. That's done. I'm done for the day. So, get back in where? Like in this area? I think I stepped away actually. Yeah, I stepped away. I had to go deal with some stuff. That's Raphael, you're asking why I didn't get back in. Yeah, it looked super good here. This bounce up here, this nice 5-minute rejection. That was picture perfect, man. The SPY trades so much more picture perfectly often, I feel like, than the Qs, that's for sure. But yeah, that would have been another great entry. I just wasn't here. And I don't like chasing, man. You can get really hurt chasing. So I didn't chase.
Citgo top-tier tri-clean gasoline gets you where you're going and keeps your engine running cleaner and smoother along the way. Whether you're traveling near or far, when you start with Citgo, you're good to go.
Yeah, and also want to be careful, man. I really want to be careful over trading. You know, if I make some decent money on the day, like I made 41 bucks, which is good on this account. It's like 9-10%. No, actually, yeah, that's about 10%. You think it's gonna go to at least the VWAP right now? Right now. That is a very serious claim there, sir. Man, I'll wager. I think we're gonna come back down and hit this orange line I have, which is yesterday's low. We are right there. I know it wants to go touch it, so. But we'll see. You know, we are so extended that we could get a fat bounce for sure. But I'll wager that we come down and want to hit that line.
With the flagship credit card at NavyFederal.org. Navy Federal Credit Union.
So I'm gonna go short right now.
Insured by NCUA.
I'm just kidding. Not doing it. Looks like on the Qs, it would make a lot of sense to come back up here and retest these areas. We're just so extended, man. You really would, unless it's just going to be a real nasty day that we're not going to hold all the way down here the rest of the day. We do have a lot more time left, though, about 4 hours. 1.5. I'd be real sketchy looking for a short, another short here. This is just down so far. Yeah, we definitely got a good solid bottom here. We'll see if this holds. Your Raphael, you're saying if it breaks 447.3, which happens to literally be my lower red line here, which is my lower 30-minute low fib, second fib. Pretty crazy how those line up, huh? That we're gonna go up to VWAP. I would agree with that. I still just think we want to come hit this low at some point. Oh, you don't have to do that. Oh, yeah. I am ready for summer to be over. Get these kiddos out of the house. Let me stare at my screens. Let's see, is this thing gonna hold here eventually or what? I'm still very skeptical. Let's see if we can even get up to the 9 EMA. Got a couple minutes till we get a 5 and 10 minute close. Looking stronger. $11:39, we got 1 minute. So Raphael, on a day like this, you made a shitload of money. Are you open to taking more trades, or are you just done? All right, here we go. Yeah, that was a good, that was a good solid 10-minute candle. Yeah, so if you see a good opportunity, you take it. Yeah. Fair enough, sir. Fair enough. I'm likely just going to be done for the day. Let's lock it in. But unless I see something really convincing, yeah. I guess I would say the same.
Believe me, I swear, the story's not over. As I fall, I will continue to get up. I cannot stop because it is over. Live in the moment, living in a quiet place. To be everywhere, to be without a care.
This thing gonna turn around again. Let's see. I think this thing would at least want to get near this 90 EMA a bit. It's also coming down to it. Spy coming back down. We'll see if this was the pop-up or if we end up catching support here. Let's see if Spy has the dirtiness to break lows again here soon. Such a fucking, actually really, just super nice, man. I'm really happy about that play though. This drop down, being patient, let it consolidate and wait for the right opportunity to see a good rejection. That VWAP midline area. Ultimately break lows. Really, really picture. And this beautiful bounce. Nice rejection here. Perfect. Looked really, really good. That would have been such a good. That trade you caught was. That was perfect, man. Perfection. If Spy wants to hold here or not.
Freshness made easy with Febreze small space.
continuous freshness that fights odors with no batteries and no outlets? Try Febreze small.
Yeah, we do have this here. Daily on the Spy, which is currently rejected.
Closets, laundry room, kid room, pet corners, man cave, she sheds, most nooks, and all crannies.
There you go. Febreze Small Spaces is the world's most convenient. Febreze Small Spaces is super convenient. And
It sure looks good to go down here.
Trying to stop us, you can't. Like my man said, we have emotion. We have emotion. We have emotion. And y'all ain't having no motion.
Yo, what up? This is Nas. Check out my new album, Magic 2, on Spotify right now. Yeah.
Having no motion. It's all over. Like when the show ends. Best friends chill by the pool, lay belly dancing, lamping, throwback sweatsuits from Grambling, Maybach trucks breaking bad like Bryan Cranston, black and white.
Yep, coming down.
Your love, at least just let me say that when I talk to you, oh Cupid walks right through and shoots an arrow through my heart.
Testing the recent lows.
You're listening to my brand new single, From the Start.
444, huh?
To confess, I loved you from the start.
We will see. We will see about that, sir. I mean, it's all possible. 444. Yeah, I do have an area right here. I see. I see. You obviously have the same support area down there. Yeah, man. If it just wants to eat through yesterday's low a day, yeah, would be a very logical spot to get a bounce off, though. Week day so far, man. Wow. All right, come on, Spy, make a move. Just dump. Man, oh man. I don't remember what I even sold at. Oh god, it's gonna be sad to look. Oh my god. Yeah, I got out of my contracts at 98 cents, for fuck's sake, dude. For 260. That's wild, man. Ooh, Spy looking dirty. Alright, Spy, you obviously want to go touch low a day yesterday. You're going to do that. Pretty wild, if not. Just get it over with, man. Get it over with. Buy coming down. Yesterday's low. Getting close. Around here. Almost made it there. So close.
Yeah, I'm feeling stuck, maybe out of luck. I'm falling in and out of line. I hope that you come home, please pick up the phone. I need to know if you are fine. I know I'm running away from home.
There it is.
What am I becoming? I guess something's broken. I guess something's broken.
Oh yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
I guess something's broken. I guess something's broken.
Wow, wow, wow. What a dirty day, man. All the way down to yesterday's lows. Really, really nice rejection. Really nice. Looking at this daily, excellent rejection off that trend line. Beautiful. Beautiful. Views are still below their 50 SMA. Is this this heel line here? There's a good chance we get a pop off, like for SPY. There's a good chance we get a pop off yesterday's low, and then for the Qs, maybe to recover this 50. Worst case, if this thing wants to keep, the other option too is if this thing wants to stay super dirty, come down to this support area I have down here, kind of the 444 area. On a day like this, this definitely possible. This thing wants to keep going. I mean, this is just so dirty. Really wild. Trend on this thing is steep. Basically right here. Maybe I'll do that in the 5 minute. Not like that. Very nice, very nice. Goddamn flies flying around my office, man. Okay, breaking through yesterday's low again. We'll see how dirty these things want to get today. We shall see. Or does it catch? Getting some buying here. Struggling.
Hey, Spotifyers, click or tap the banner to listen to Most Necessary, the official voice of the next generation. Brought to you by Grand Marnier. Discover the grand encounter of cognac and orange liqueur.
User bouncing a little bit here.
Hip hop's 50th anniversary. Drink with style. Drink responsibly. Grand Marnier liqueur, 40% alcohol by volume.
Sort of holding yesterday's low.
Hi, my name is Jasmine, and a little thing I love about Chick-fil-A spicy chicken biscuit is how it gives me a kickstart to my morning. I put honey on the biscuit because it gives you a nice sweet heat. It's the perfect treat.
See if this 5-minute really gets bought up at the end or not.
What I love about Chick-fil-A spicy chicken biscuit is the chicken. The outside is crispy, the inside is succulent. Once you put it all together, chef's kiss.
Order the spicy chicken biscuit on the Chick-fil-A app today. Real Chick-fil-A guests paid for their testimonials.
Too late isn't in your vocabulary. Reach your next goal at University of Maryland Global Campus. Apply now and save with no application fee. Undergraduate and most graduate courses start August 16th. Learn more at umgc.edu. Certified to operate by Chev.
Hey, Spotifyers, click or tap the banner to listen.
Just gonna put in a green minute 5. Will it? It's getting close. Getting close.
Brought to you by Hulu. Catch new episodes of Only Murders in the Building, Tuesdays, streaming only on
Hulu. Yeah, this could become a potential long. Just always tough on a day like this to go long. But there'd be a good reason. We're back getting close to this trend. We're bouncing off yesterday's low. What is going on with my charting? Oh, weird. It's delayed. See if this holds. I'd want to see a lot more confirmation. Not just that one I don't think I'm gonna place a trade. Made money today, so probably gonna be it for me. This is just a sketchy trade on a day like this, trying to go long, but it could work. It could break. We could ultimately get through this trend and come back up to who the hell knows where, maybe VWAP. Q's looking like they bottomed as well. It's a double bottom there. On the 5, well, and on the 10. Yeah, that Q's, that's a definite bottom for now. All right, folks, it's 12 o'clock Eastern time. I've been on since 9 o'clock, so it's probably typically going to be my hours. that I try and do most days. So for anybody who joined, thanks a lot. Had a good profitable day today. I think, what did I make? I made like 41 bucks. So I've got about a $400 account right now, so about 10%. So I'm happy with that. And I would have held on like a G for my one contract. That contract could have been I don't know, 150, 200 extra bucks, but this is what it is. Not the last day to trade, so I'm gonna take my win and be happy. All right, hey Raphael, man, thanks for jumping in, man, and chatting with me there. I had a good time, and hey, man, congrats on that win. That's a really, really, really impressive trade there, man. I saw where you got into. That's just perfect. That looks so good. Yeah, CPI tomorrow. Yeah, I got to be careful tomorrow for sure. For sure. Well, cool, man. Yeah, again, thanks for joining and participating in all that, and congrats on the trade. Great job, man. Really good, really good. And let's keep grinding. All right, folks. I'll talk to you later. Take care.